Okay, in the last video I said we were going to remove the Google Keyword Planner limitation. So when you don't have the keywords everywhere add-on on your system, this is what you see. Keyword by relevance, average monthly searches, competition. So let us go ahead now and add that to what we have already. So what you do is go to keywordseverywhere.com. Then this is the screen you see when you land on the site. So you're going to either install for Chrome or install for Firefox. So it's pretty simple. Let us do this. Install for Firefox. Okay, quickly I'm going to show you something. When you have the keywords everywhere installed on your system, when you search something like this, if I search sweet love, okay, this is all that will be returned because I don't have keywords everywhere now. But when we have keywords everywhere, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to make the same search and see the difference. I'm going to show you side by side the difference between when we have this, when we don't have the keyword everywhere, and when we have it. So let us go. Let me install it now. Add to Firefox. Okay, look at what I'm add. Then okay, we'll email you the link to get your free API key. So you type in your email here. This is my email. You have to agree. Monthly newsletter. Okay, well, I like the monthly newsletter, so I'm going to get the API. Okay, I've sent you an email. Then go to your, let me access my Gmail now. Let me access my Gmail. So when you access your Gmail, you're going to see this from your inbox. Okay, it's already there. As you can see, this is it. Keywords everywhere API key. So this is the API. Please click here to access your free API key. Okay. This is the API key. So what I'm going to do next is to add it. Okay, I've gotten it. The next is I'm going to add the API key now. Update settings. Okay, update settings. From here, update settings, then it brings you to this page. Next thing you do is add your API key, validate. Now on this screen, before you click validate, your currency, US dollar, country, global, volume, CPC, competition. Okay, you want to see all that, Google search, everything. You want to see that. Now then click validate. Okay, your API key is valid. Great. Now let us go back to this screen. Let me reload. Look at what we have there now. So when we reload, okay, let me quickly open it on another page. Let me open this on another page. Let me search the same keyword on another page and let us see what we are going to have with keywords everywhere in place. Okay, look at this. Look at this screen. Keywords, related keywords. This is Anita Baker Sweet Love. Volume, that is how many people search for that in a month, 9,100. Now okay, even under this, under the search box, you have under the search box is going to show the search volume, cost per click for that keyword, competition, and all that. It's going to show you all that. Then when we scroll down, look at this place, Sweet Love Strong. This one is showing 1,000 per month. Let us go back to the other one without keywords everywhere installed. Look at what we have here. We only have the keywords without the monthly search volume, without the actual monthly search volume. Now, but here, look at how keywords everywhere has given us what we have been looking for. Let me reload the page. Okay, we have it back. So I want to put the keyword in again. Let me put the keywords in. Now I have, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 keywords. 8 keywords now. Keywords. Okay, now look at what we have here. No cost per click, search volume, average monthly searches, and all that. So now where you have 1,000 to 10,000. Okay, I think I'm still limited to Nigeria. I'm sorry. Let me go back and remove the country. Okay, now I have on my screen 10,000. This one is saying 10,000 to 100,000, 40,000 searches per month. At least this is more accurate, and we can trust this result. 1K to 10K, now we have 2,900. So this is what you have when you install Keywords Everywhere on your system. So we have actually removed the Google Keyword Planner limitation now. So instead of just having the average monthly searches, we can now have the real search volume for that keyword, the actual search volume for that keyword. So we're done. That is all for Keywords Everywhere. Thank you. Oh, sorry, wait, that is not all. Some other things you can do with Keywords Everywhere add-on on your system these days. As you can see on this screen, on this side of the screen, you can see add all keywords. It means once I click on this now, all the keywords, okay, you can see this star attached to this yellow something like star attached to the keyword. It means I have added the keywords to all the how do I put it? I don't know. All I can say is I have added all the keywords somewhere that I can access later through Keywords Everywhere. Now you can export CSV. After adding, you can export, but normally I don't use this. So you can say, okay, you don't want this, don't actually do this. So this is what you do. Now we have the keywords downloaded. Exit is a Excel file. These are the keywords. We have 2,657 keywords. So all I'm going to do now is to copy all the keywords. Long list. I'm going to copy all the keywords, then take it to, now click here, click import keywords. So I'm going to import to get the search volume, because now when you, okay, I'm back. I will be back. Okay, just hold on. Now from this screen, now what you see here, you can see the search volume, average monthly search, and every other tab here. Now when you download keyword ideas like I did yesterday, when you download keyword ideas, the volume here will not be downloaded with it. Let us see. The volume will not be downloaded. As you can see, this minimum volume, maximum volume. Don't forget, I have removed some data from the screen. I have removed some data from the Excel I downloaded. Remember yesterday how it was yesterday. So these are the tabs we want. These are the columns we want when you download yours. Minimum searches, maximum searches. You can leave the competition out. You can add the competition. So but then now remember what I have just done. This is the keyword get metrics. Oh, sorry, okay, you exceeded the limit of 2,000 words, so it should actually be 2,000. Sorry, so I'm going to start from 2,000. So they limit me also. Can you imagine? So these guys limited me, so I'm going to start from 2,000. It's 2,000. Want to see. So what I actually want to achieve with this is I want to download the keyword. Also, I want to download the keyword and add to the one I have inside that Excel file. So I'm going to download a CSV. Okay, open, just open it. Okay, this is it now. Search volume, cost per click, competition. Okay, let us leave competition. Let's delete this. Let us delete global. Let us cost per click. Let us okay, we are left with these three. Okay, let me delete this. Now keywords, search volume, and competition. We are left with those three. So I can copy all, Control A, Control X. Let me cut. Let me cut all. Let me go back here. Now let me paste here. Okay, so from here now we have inspirational messages, which is 10,000 to 10,000 minimum to 100,000 maximum. But from what we downloaded, we can see it is 40,500. So you can leave it this way and compare. Inspirational greetings here is 100 to 1,000. This one is saying 260. Okay, 100 though, so it's still within 100 to 1,000. Now latest quotes on live, 1,600. Now inspirational good night messages, 1,300. Here is saying 1,000 to 10,000. So this is how keywords everywhere can actually help you. And don't forget, we're still on the stage of keyword research. You're able to download, get some keywords, punch in few keywords, download them. We let keywords everywhere help us to know the actual search volume for these keywords. This is the, what should I say? Okay, this is where we are still on. This is the stage we are still on now. The next video or the next tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys what I actually do with these keywords from here. How I give you titles from the keywords. Do I always match two together? Do I just choose one? Why do I choose the ones I choose to write post on? And every other thing you need to know, I will tell you in the next training. Thank you for now.